How to send photos through WhatsApp web. First, open the browser on your laptop or PC. Now open your WhatsApp web version that is already connected with your device. Tap on the chat where you want to send the photo. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then select photos and videos here. Select the photo you want to send and then tap on open. If you want, you can edit this photo before sending. When you are done, tap on green send button. See, your photo is delivered. And that's it. This is how you can send photos through WhatsApp web. If this helped you, follow for more quick WhatsApp tips.